Greetings, Earthlings. It's your boy, Mr. E. Welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. We're going to take a look at the SPX as well. Little interesting day today. We could see we had a bit of a downturn over the past few hours. Let's start off with the SPX. Something I've been looking at the past, for a long time now. This little formation in the RSI, we got an ascending triangle type of thing happening down here. We kind of broke out of this a couple weeks ago. I was looking for it to hold support on this level of the RSI, but that did not happen. So we're back down in it and coiling up. We'll see what happens here with this. This is usually a bullish formation. Sometimes these will show up in the RSI and not the price chart. So that is something to be aware of. Don't take my word for it. Take the guy that wrote the book on it. Wells Wilder, New Concepts in Technical Analysis, is the inventor of this indicator, as well as several other ones that are still used to this day. But he specifically says in there that these patterns will form in the RSI sometimes before, and they'll form in the RSI, but not on the price chart. So kind of hoping that's what's going to happen here. If you're a bull and you want to see some continuation to the upside, look for this RSI to break out of this pattern and continue up. You can also see we have some divergence here, a little double bottom in the RSI. So these are all some reversal patterns, but we're still just tightening up here in this range, trucking along. Something's going to happen soon. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin. We're on the 12-hour here. You can see last night or so, where I live last night, we broke down a bit. We took out this low here on this candlestick. Right here, price came down, tested this resistance, now support, and that was our point of support. So we're kind of breaking out of this little formation I drew about a week ago, maybe now. And you can see the momentum is to the downside on the MACD. We're on the 12-hour stochastic RSI, cross back down. Want to run through these other time frames real quick. You can see these supports and resistances a little more on this 4-hour chart here. See, we took out this level with this wick and came right to it right here, the top of this candle. So we'll see if we continue down here. Next support would be down here somewhere, this little pocket, possibly up here. And I believe that's where we have our target for our hypothetical short trade. So run through the stochastics real quick. 4-hour about to cross up, 6-hour down, 12-hour down, 18-hour down, daily down, 2-day down, 3-day, we're cross back down. 4-day looks like it's about to cross. Also some divergence here. High, lower high, high, higher high. And I would imagine this is about to follow suit on these higher term time frames. Weekly still up. 2-week. Wow, that's one to keep an eye on. About to cross down. And 3-week and monthly are still up. This is a big one right here, the monthly. All right, so we're back over here on the Bitcoin chart. One other thing I wanted to highlight here is this thesis I had a while ago about price just filling in this little volume profile pocket right here. So between here and here, which is kind of this area right here, seems like that is definitely still in the cards. What else we got going here? We got our 21 and 34s. Could be a good place of support. This little band here, top. If price comes down there, take a look at the volume. Kind of a low volume last week compared to recently. You can see we're increasing here. Had a nice little bump up here, push up there, but slowed down a little bit. Let's take a look at our hypothetical short. So we came close to the 236. Had a pretty good move down last night. This is kind of a bearish formation. We got highs, higher highs, lower highs, lower highs. Not a head and shoulders, but same concept. Pretty much rolling over. We'll see if we hit our target down here. We got a little ways to go still. Again, we're eyeing this volume pocket for some support. That would be our target. Bottom of this green box here. Another chart. We looked at this yesterday. This is the wedge. You can see we broke out of that. So this pattern is no longer valid. I probably adjust this to something of this effect now. So this is now our support. This level right here could be considered the line in the sand. Break that, most likely we're going to come down further. All right. Thanks for tuning in. It's not financial advice. My name is Mr. E, and this is your update of the BTC. Wishing you a very happy day in the city that you live in, or the country, or the planet. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.